Hello everybody, you're watching Corporate Dairy. Today's video, we're milking cows. Alright, right now we're going to get the milking equipment ready. Right now I'm going to put a filter in the pipeline. Right now we're going to put the pipe into the tank that hooks up to the pipeline so the milk can go in the tank. Alright, so the milkers are ready. Now let's get started. Alright, right now we're going to put some pre-dip on the cows before we milk them. So this is a iodine dipper. If you squeeze it, there's foam that goes in there, if you can see that. Alright, right now we're wiping the cows. We wipe them with each cow individually with a separate towel. So that's what the milker looks like on the cow. This is what you call a claw. Then the black hoses that go in there are called insulations. Then there's a little jar, that's where the milk comes in. Goes through this hose all the way up to the pipeline. This right here is a pulsator that regulates the air suction on the teat for the cow. So it's not just pulling or being aggressive, it just regulates it, makes it comfortable for the cow, and allows milk to go through at a steady pace. Alright, right now we're going to switch this milker over to this cow here. Right now, milk is coming in from the lines here, coming this pipe right here, and over there. And it goes up through this motor here, it goes up this pipe, all the way across, down into the tank. And this box over here regulates the temperature of the milk in the tank. Try to keep it at 40 degrees at all the time, so no bacteria grows in the milk. There's the milk pumping right now. Alright, right now we're putting some post-dip on the cows. It's just iodine in there, which just helps seal up the teat and keep it clean, keep bacteria from growing.
cow in the Jersey barn. We got 14 jerseys. We have jerseys because they have a higher butter fat content than the Holstein. They got about 4.4 to 4.6% butter fat, where a Holstein will have about 3.8 to 3.9 butter fat content. Alright, we're getting the last few cows milking as we speak. Dipping this cow, and we're packing it up. Alright, we're all done milking, so I'm going to turn off the compressor.
Alright, the milk hauler's here right now. After he leaves, we will clean the pipeline and feed calves. Right now, all the cows are resting right now, and I failed to mention before, we got 36 Holsteins, 14 jerseys, 50 cow barn. So we got 50 cows in here. So they're just resting right now, and we're going to clean the pipeline and feed calves momentarily. So the milk hauler just left. This is what the inside of the milk tank looks like. There's the agitator. Throughout the day, that will spin on and off once in a while. After a little bit, it'll spin a little bit to keep the milk stirred and do its job.
You got a good clip. Alright, right now we're putting some detergent in here for the milk tank for a rinse cycle. Fill this up about half full. And a little more. So this right here, we're going to screw this detergent container up here. Make sure it's snug. So this right here is a rinse system. It's automated. Automatically rinses it on a cycle, and yeah. So right now we're cleaning the milking equipment. Gotta keep them clean. Alright, right now we're going to clean the pipeline. This is also an automatic wash system, just like the milk tank. So I'm going to flip the switch and turn it on.
Right now water's coming through the pipeline, down into the draw. Water in the sink pumps through the hoses, go up through the milker. So it pumps through the pipeline, then it gets pumped down into the drain. Well, my foot is down here. Alright, right now we're putting some fresh bedding down for the calves for the rest of the day. Alright, right now we're going to feed some silage and with grain mixed in there to the calves.